Yeah, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Here is another opportunity for 2026 graduates. It's in a hackathon, and all the men and women are eligible for this from the 2026 graduates. So let's see more about this in detail. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now and also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from our channel. And also join in our WhatsApp channel and in the Telegram community where I'm giving all the updates regarding internships and job opportunities. Let's get into this video. So just you can see here the sign up now, sign up, and then already the registrations are started and it will be closed by the March 8th, and still 5 days are left, like 4 to 5 days are left, and you can apply for it. And if you see the like structure of this hackathon, first there will be the program challenge, and in this it will be consisting of 25 MCQs and 2 programming questions, and you have to solve within two like 2.5 hours. And the programming language you can choose any, like Python, C++, and Java, and different other programming languages will be available. So this will be considering as an elimination round. So this is the round 1, and then round 2 will be the code hunt. So whoever are successfully completed the round 1, they will be getting a mail regarding the round 2. So in this round 2, like you will be having some series of questions, and that will be revealed before the 3 days. So this round is to push further test your core fundamentals, and this also will be considering as an elimination round. After the round 2, there will be round 3, so which is event finale. And in this, the top 50 participants who are from the round 2, who are shortlisted in the round 2, they will be getting the mail for this final round. And here there will be like few themes will be there, and from the themes you have to select any one, and you have to build the like solution for the given problem statement. And after this there will be the final demo. So already the registrations are started on the February 26th, and till like 4 to 5 days are left. So round 1 is programming challenge, which will be conducted on the March 8th on the hackathon platform itself, and the round 2 is the code hunt, and then that will be connecting from the March 21st to the March 23rd. So 3 days of time will be there. In these 3 days of time you can choose the idea, and then the final event will be conducted in the month of April. So everything you will be getting to your mail. So keep checking your mails also. And like there are like many prizes are there for the winners, and also interview is there for the like Nokia Internship program 2026 for the top performance, and also mentorship opportunities and networking from the Nokia leaders for other participants also. So when we see the eligibility of these like btech, MCA, mtech students from the CSC or IT or ECE and other related branches are eligible, and this is exclusively for female and male students. So both female and male students can participate in this. And then the invitations to participate are being sent directly to the placement officers of the respective colleges. And then the graduation year is 2026. So who are graduating in the year 2026, they are only eligible, and the percentage of your the percentage must be above 65%, and there should be no backlogs. So this is all about this internship, and like some other FAQs are also given, and also for the duration of this internship will be like 10 to 11 months for the final year students. Like when you are in the final year, this internship will be offered like for 10 to 11 months, and other like technologies are also given here. So everything is provided here. Just check, and if you are eligible, apply it as soon as possible, and also start preparing, do the like solve the DSA problems and some other MCQs on the India BICS, like aptitude reasoning questions or the computer fundamentals, and other DBMS, computer networks, and machine learning, and like operating system questions. So just prepare it. And other like the skills are also provided here, like the like data structures, algorithms, and operating system concepts, and you should be familiar with the Linux and Unix system, and the basic understanding of the databases, MySQL and Oracle, and then also the knowledge of artificial intelligence and machine learning concepts. All the skills are provided here, so just check it out. And some other FAQs are also there. If you are new to these Hacker Earth challenges, then just go with these FAQs, and everything is described in a detailed manner. And also remember that there are MCQ questions, like 25 MCQ questions are there, and within the duration of 22 hours or 2.5 hours, you have to solve 25 questions as well as two coding problems. So this is all about this hackathon. Just apply it as soon as possible, and also do share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel and join our communities. Thank you.